Business is speeding up. The cadence is higher in every industry, and there are many external pressures coming from the customer, but also internal pressures changing the way you are working. This places a high focus on your PLM strategy. I sat down with Olaf Kramer of Bosch, who's been instrumental in driving digitalization from a central department point of view. Olaf and the team at Bosch have taken a pragmatic approach to digital transformation with many value-driven proof points. But they've also created a model-based enterprise, connecting engineering, manufacturing, supply chain, operations, and service teams through a holistic PLM program and the digital thread.